Hey guys, welcome back to vlog number 6. Today we're starting out at Cars and Coffee. Alright, yeah, I guess everybody's leaving right now. This is still pretty cool. It's not noticeable, but it's nice. I like the carbon isn't noticeable. That's what I was saying. The carbon is pretty noticeable. I really like the HRE wheels. I don't know if you can see that, but they are HRE wheels and a V8 FSI. I mean, it's cool and all. It's a manual, but like, if it was a V10, that'd be awesome. The V10 already left though. The other R8. It's actually a really cool pick right here.
Now I wish I would have, because this thing is beautiful.
Whew, man. Let's go back over to GT. Look at that. It's actually a 12C. It's actually a really cool pick right here. Look at that. That's a really cool pick. This old car coming back. I remember seeing this a couple of times. That is pretty loud. The Ariel Atom is still here. The Ariel Atom. I haven't actually seen one here before. I think I've only seen one, and that was at Monterey Car Week. If you want footage of that, check out my old video, What Happened in Part 3. But if you don't, I mean, it's up to you. Yes. It's surprising. It looks like a 675 LT. It has a really nice carbon package, but it's actually, wait for it, a 12C. The front bumper can confuse most people into thinking that this is a 675 or 650, especially with the wing, but it's actually a 12C because you can see it by the headlights. But this is actually really cool. This is really cool. Let's put the Shelby here. It's pretty cool. I guess if this would be a good pick right there. Like that'd be a really cool pick. That's awesome. Never actually sat in a McLaren yet. A lot of cars, but never a McLaren. I've never met any McLaren owners. Look at that diffuser. Oh, that's a good pick. That's a definitely good. That's a good angle. That's a really good angle. That makes it look so mean. Oh my god, that's actually like the best angle I've seen on this kind of car. Of course, I don't know if this is active, but it looks pretty cool. I don't know if you can see the engine. Very reflective engine bay. So I couldn't tell if you'd be able to see it. Oh, this is cool. I like the whole entire... I don't know if I got that. I don't think I did. RIP. I think I might have gotten the end of that. I think you can hear the sound, but I don't know if I got that because I had to put the actual camera out so you guys could see it. Ooh, we got this leaving. That's a really nice wing. It says Porsche on top. Let's see if we can get it going. Aw, nothing. Yeah, if you ever need something There you go. GTR Lounge. Shout out to them. They're beautiful cars, man. Look at this. This is pretty cool. I mean, yeah, that's pretty good. Hold up. Hold up. Do you see that? I believe that is an ST. But we got these leaving. Alright, so we got two of them leaving. I can see that that is in fact an ST. I have horrible vision, but I can see the little thing right here. Let me show you. Can't really show you, but it's right on that side. I can see it from here. It says ST. Okay, apparently the Fiero, Pontiac Fiero, or it looks like a Fiero, is leaving. So get that going. It's a little bit droney. There's a little bit of drone to it. Ooh, the Vantage opened its engine bay up. Let's go check that out. Obviously, we got the Mustangs leaving. Got this older Mustang, probably 2000s Mustang. Still pretty cool though. It's in fact body kitted for some reason. That does not look like a stock kit, body kit. Oh, the Viper's leaving. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Viper's leaving. Viper's leaving. I want to go get a pull of it because I'd love to hear that V10. Only this is starting it too.
You done?
Hey. Not bad. You see the Vantage?
Yeah.
Is it a V8? I thought it looked like a V8.
So, this thing's crazy. V8
Oh yeah. I got some pretty good shots of this if you saw the ones that I sent you. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it looks some good pictures.
It was like in between those trees, it just looked so perfect. It was like a perfect parking job too.
A lot of rates today.
Yeah, I think they had 4.
Oh, and the GT3 RS is just amazing.
Oh my god, that was so beautiful, dude.
I wanted to meet the owner, but I couldn't find him.
Oh, you see the Viper, right?
Yeah.
Like that was just hidden so far back there. I was going over my, okay, yeah. I was going over like, oh look, another Corvette. And I'm like, oh wait, that's a Dodge. That's not any Dodge, that's a Viper. I haven't seen that one yet. That's actually pretty cool to see. Huh.
I have some neat cars.
Yeah, some pretty neat cars.
What else did you see today?
Huh.
Nothing special.
Well, that's pretty cool. It is very loud. You hear the racing car come by? Little one? It's loud.
The drift car too, that was pretty neat.
Oh yeah.
Showing off his bags.
Yeah. Yeah, you see the body kit on the regular Mustang, the white one that went by like a minute ago? Like a weird body kit. I don't know words.
Yeah, there's the super wide body Genesis earlier.
Oh my god, I could not get over like how much effort and how much work that'd take just to make that kind of car.
You couldn't even see the stitches. There's nothing else.
Like the stitching was just so overused. It didn't need to be there.
One of them didn't even have it. You can't even tell. It looked like it was like stock. There's a lot of racers.
Oh yeah.
It's getting bad.
This is Ricer Town, basically.
Like not usually.
It's not usually as bad. No, it isn't.
The racers, they wake up in the morning. They're actually able to get up early these days.
Yeah.
They bring their VTECs and their.
Oh, I'm about to run out. Oh, sucks. Let's go check out that. I haven't seen the engine bay. You check out the engine bay yet? Ooh, look at that. Yep, I knew it. It's a V8 Vantage. Is it supercharged? It is supercharged? Look at that engine. Well, apparently they're leaving. angle. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. This is really nice. But is he gonna do a pull? Will he do a pull? Or which way will he go? Oh, he's going this way? Ugh.